It is now my honor and pleasure to declare this induction retreat for the senators of the 4th Senate and the 13th Parliament officially open, and to wish you fulfillment and success during your tenure of duty. Asanteni sana. May God bless the Senate, and may God bless our beloved country, Kenya. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Round of applause for the Honorable Speaker. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for officially opening this workshop and for your wise words. Honorable Senators, we have come to the end of the official program now for the open session. I wish to, yes, I'm coming to it, thank you. I wish to take this opportunity to recognize the Governor of Nakuru County. Now that the convener has spoken and officially opened, we will give the Governor an opportunity to address the Senators in the next session after we come back from tea break. May I then, Honorable Speaker, also recognize the presence of other Senators who have arrived after the introduction. Senator Mandago, you can please wave. Senator Kajwang, and Senator Thangwa. Thank you very much. Honorable Speaker, with your permission, then we will break for group photo